a lot, huh?
My parents started that.
He's just spoiled, huh? Are you spoiled? Is it the first grandbaby?
Yes.
And his head, he doesn't tilt it to neither one side. He's usually
When he lays, when he's sleeping, he likes to lay to the left.
to the left side.
Like head to the left.
There we go. Where's Mama? We're just gonna make sure all your nerves are working fine, and you don't have any subluxations, and you're good. He doesn't start crawling soon.
Really?
Wow. Oh, pretty soon, yeah.
I already know. I'm
Seems
gonna cry
alright.
right.
You're gonna cry too fast, right?
Really, dude?
Too fast. We're
Yes.
checking it one more time. He's good in the lower. Wow, he's really. You're good. He has one subluxation in his neck.
Okay.
On this side, on the left side, it's not gonna be. And no health issues.
No.
Doing really healthy.
Healthy.
That's how we stay healthy, huh, buddy? Want to make sure we grow up nice and healthy.
Yeah,